Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this stunning approved used Audi A1 Sportback S-Line 25 TFSI. It comes dressed in the absolutely gorgeous shell white, sure to turn heads when on the road, and at the time of this recording the vehicle has done 1,137 miles. Standing on 17-inch alloy wheels with the 5-spoke V design, making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery, with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery, the iconic S embossed logo. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift pedal for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as connection to your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones and a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with parking aids for rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces. And driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. Below you have the climate control system so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature. Stay connected with the 12V and USB charging points and a compartment to pop your phone in. Finished off with the sleek manual gearbox and 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees. This approved used Audi A1 is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.